G'day and happy Cocktail Fridays. As always, I'm your host Troy. Today we are having a party in your mouth. A viewer request from Benny P for his missus.
Wow, it's like there's a party in my mouth and everyone's invited.
This recipe calls for Prosecco, Aperol, ginger beer, some fresh orange, some rosemary and some ginger. Before you get started, get a slice of orange, and a slice of ginger. Add some ice into a glass, then add your orange and ginger slices. Add 45 ml of Aperol, 150 ml of Prosecco, then top up with ginger ale. Stir around with your sprig of rosemary. And you're done. Tell us what you would do to improve this recipe. See you next time.